Runaway Homestead. My name's Perry. I did a video the other day. It was really windy out, and there was so much camera noise to all the video. I might be able to salvage a little bit, but not very much. But I was talking to you about my pond again, and I had 150 pounds of bentonite left that I was going to broadcast on the pond, which I did. I might be able to show you a little bit of that, but it's the last I had of it, and I think my pond's down to probably about 3 foot deep. I'll turn the camera around and continue and show it to you before this video is up. I'm definitely not going to give up on it. Ponds in this area of Kentucky, a lot of people that live out this way where we moved to said it's hard to get a pond to hold water here. But like I say, I won't give up on it. It means too much to me. And I wanted to touch base on a couple more things. Take a look at this. So, being as low as it is, and I do know it's still going down slowly, it tells me that the leak is obviously not along the dam. There may have been some, because I had about 7 leaks when I built it. And when the water was quite a bit higher, I was down to just 2, maybe 3. So the pond being as low as it is now, it's less surface that I had to cover. So I'm hoping that 150 pounds I added will find a hole and plug it. I also have a drag that I brought home from work. I'll have to get it out of the grass over here. You can see the algae that's growing on top. And I'm not going to bother that because the fish are still surviving. And you can use bluestone, which is also copper sulfate. If I was to do that on my pond right now, all the algae would die so quick it would deplete the oxygen in the water, and I would definitely have a fish kill. So if you use that for your pond, just do it sparingly, depending on size. At work, the ponds we take care of there, we'll do maybe half of it, go down one side and do that half, and then maybe next week hit the other side. I have found the small, more sand-like granules work better than the stone. At least that's the results that I found at work. And another way to keep algae and other growth down, the blue dye is, well, it looks nice. It's not just for the looks, it's to keep light infiltration from penetrating the water too much and allowing other plant life to grow. So like I say, in this video, I'll stick in a few things, maybe a couple of things that just have a little bit of music in the background, and while I'm down here, I want to show you this. I got the second coat of sealer on my deck the other day, and we had a light rain last night, and everything on my cedar is just beaded up. And I'm really pleased with the color that's holding on it. It recommends one more coat, but that won't be today. Several people have said, why did you use cedar and why don't you use treated wood? And as somebody that messes with wood a lot, I don't know if formulations changed or something. Look who's coming. Hi, Ellie. But treated lumber, if I handle it without gloves now, causes makes the skin on my thumb, sometimes fingers get really, really hard and like leather. Then it all starts peeling away, and it takes about 2 months for it to totally heal. So one reason I didn't go with treated is because after the virus, you couldn't find the 5/4 decking. And we have a local sawmill here that does nothing but cedar. And so it was available, and I didn't have to worry about my hand. So that's the reason my decking is cedar. So I'm gonna take this in and see how much I can salvage out of that other video and share a little bit with you guys. Have a good day, be a blessing in somebody's life if you can, and come back to visit soon. So this is about done. If you don't mind, share our videos, like it, ring the bell, all that good stuff. Going into fall, I don't know what all we're gonna have for you. You know, I'm gonna be in my shop. I'll be making ornaments for Christmas, turning ink pens, bottle stoppers, packers for canning, packing cabbage, and I'll get what all Kim does. She uses it with fermenting, but I've made her several out of cedar, so I'll probably be turning some of those. So that's it for today. I'm gonna enjoy this breeze and head back into the barn and do a little bit more before I head down to the house for the day. So thanks for spending a little time with me. Be a blessing in somebody's life if you're able. And I'll see you next time.